Welcome to your daily dose of Carolina Bays. Meteor crater, also known as Barringer crater, is a meteorite impact crater located about 60 kilometers or 37 miles east of Flagstaff, Arizona. It has a diameter of about 1.2 kilometers and a depth of 180 meters. The crater was created about 50,000 years ago during the Pleistocene epoch. Shoemaker wrote a field guide to Meteor crater in 1987 that summarized the characteristics of the crater and the conditions of its formation. The guide starts by giving the location of Meteor crater with directions on how to drive there and obtain permission in order to hike to various parts of the crater. Meteor crater was the first recognized impact crater on Earth. It remains the largest known crater with associated meteorites. It is the most thoroughly investigated and one of the least eroded and best exposed impact craters in the world. Study of Meteor crater provided clues for the recognition of impact craters on other solid bodies in the solar system, as well as on Earth, and stimulated the search for other terrestrial impact structures. The guide by Shoemaker provides a geologic map of Meteor crater with a detailed description of the terrain features in and around the crater, including the inverted stratigraphy along the rim. Although Meteor crater is large, it is much smaller than many Carolina bays. If we model a large bay based on the proportion of projectile size to cavity size of the experimental impacts, we can estimate that a large bay with a major axis of 4 kilometers could have been made by an ice boulder with a diameter of 650 meters. From the width to length ratio of the bay and its distance from the convergence point by the Great Lakes, we calculate that an ice projectile of that size impacting at an angle of 30 degrees and a speed of 3.5 kilometers per second would have a kinetic energy corresponding to 210 megatons of TNT. This is about 14 times the energy of the impact that made Meteor crater in Arizona. The next episode has a surprise.